quick technique that you can use right now, straight away, for yourself or the children that you work with or the children in your family, that can really help calm and focus both the brain, the mind, and the nervous system and the body. And this doesn't require any special equipment. You don't have to be super creative. You don't have to make anything engaging. You can pretty much do it anywhere, but it's more beneficial if you're doing it at home or maybe in the car or somewhere that's not so public. But that is humming bee breath, Brahmari breath in Sanskrit, in yoga. And it is a very, very simple technique. You can just do one breath, which can last for 10 seconds. And it immediately soothes the nervous system and the body. It really helps you, and especially young children, to get focused. They don't even have to close their eyes if they don't want to. They don't have to be in any special position. They can be seated, standing. It is better if they're lying down or maybe in child's pose. I prefer child's pose where possible. But it's so simple. You literally just breathe in through your nose and then breathe out, making a humming sound with your lips closed. So super simple. Breathe in. And ideally, we do have our eyes closed, or for younger children, I just tell them to block their eyes just so that they don't have a lot of distractions going on. And it's just a quick, easy, simple technique. If you can get them to do 3 to 5 of those breathing techniques, that's really going to benefit them. It's also great if you can encourage them to make the exhale, make the humming as long as possible. So you can do this yourself. It doesn't take any explanation. That's also what I love about it, is that you can do it with any children, and you don't even have to be able to speak the same language as them. You do the breath and they'll do it along with you. And as soon as they do it, they'll feel the benefit. And then you just do another and another. You don't have to explain anything. You don't need any resources, any props. You can do it wherever you like. You don't even need any real knowledge behind it. Obviously, if you want to learn more about how it works with the nervous system and the brain and how it impacts the mind, then of course you can get in touch or take one of my workshops. But it's that simple. So if you have children, or you work with children, or you're watching this because you want some tips and techniques on how to calm and refocus your own brain and body, then try that out and comment below and let me know how it felt for you.